Good morning, welcome everyone. Good day guys, good evening. Great to see you. Welcome community. Hey, how you doing folks? How's your day? Welcome everyone, hey. Great to see you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. What's up chat? How do you feel today? Come on. How do you feel today? How do you enjoy today? Hey. Good to see you. Good to have you on board. Make sure to share the video with all the community members pretty much in all the trading groups you guys are aware about and you are participating. Let them know about our live stream. Let us enjoy in all the ways possible. Good morning. We're live. $125,000. Make sure to sign up for the giveaway. Chat, there you have it, chat. And the Nasdaq is having it on a downtrending channel here for the 5-minute temporary construction. We've got some interesting levels. Yep. We just bounced from a 200-day EMA. And a green line. That's representing the dynamic swing entered volume weighted average price. So that's quite interesting. We're going to trade our day number 8 for the IRM account. Day number 8. I'm gonna focus on $150. Right. This is how we look like on 5 minutes. We got suppressed by the daily volume weighted average price located on 783. Good evening, good day everyone. Thank you so much for joining guys. Make sure to like the video. And best of luck for today. Careful with the risk management. We've got a lot of the news coming out. Risk management is extremely important. At 10 a.m., so in an hour and 40 minutes, we got services PMI and JOLTS job openings. Tomorrow, unemployment claims. And then we have a whole lot of other things on Friday. Oh. So we're packed up for the last 3 days of the week. And that's going to be quite interesting. I'm testing out a little short here. I do enjoy that 1 minute rejection we got. Let's see. Market's pretty slow. But I'm just going for a couple of points here. Good morning guys, good morning everyone. Great to see you. What a lovely day we have out here for the Wednesday times. Ah, what's that reaction guys? What's that silly reaction on the 1 minute? Look at that. I basically sold partially. First loss accepted, stop loss got hit, $348 down the road. What a lovely 1 minute rejection we've got. And then the prompt reaction coming through, totally unexpected from the price action standpoint. But you see, this is what I call unexpected and positive losses, unavoidable losses that you definitely need to know to protect yourself in the right manner. Something like that for me is unavoidable. Good morning, great to see you guys, great to have you on board. Make sure to join our Discord for those of you that are fresh. And our giveaway, we're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, with a lot of the good things happening. Yeah. We're retesting the short entry here. I'm smelling something. Could be a 763 touch. That's a pretty decent target. I'm testing out a short here as well on my Tap 1 futures account.
Order filled.
Beautiful for the moment. Morning everyone, like the video guys, come on. Bring it down, baby.
Order filled.
6 points. Give me that lovely rejection. Let's see. $765 in our exit for the Tap 1 futures target on $550. We don't need more than that here. Basically, we've got the same target for both prop firms, 765.75. Yeah.
Order filled.
We don't reject here. I'm not going to feel comfortable with it. I'm going to open up a short on my other account too. For the YRM. Looks pretty dangerous for the upside for the moment. I'll go driven. Not really enjoying what I see. I'm gonna cut it there for the Tap 1 futures, no other choice. 779.
Order filled.
Yeah. 632 down. In this case scenario, it's a little bit different. But the bigger trouble appears here, where it looks like we started off like yesterday, down $3,500 yesterday, exactly in the same manner. Our first trade down 3,500. Daily volume weighted average price 783 right there, guys. I'm reshorting that one, especially here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Testing out a little short, but for this one it's a little bit better with DC8 and the highs. Let's wait and see. So daily volume with average price and the rejection and the resistance line of the trend here. If that delivers, we're gonna be fine. Otherwise, I'll have to cut it away. Yeah. This is the dangerous spot. I can't touch that one at all. This is a bit different.
Order filled.
Adding here a little bit. We have our daily loss here for the top one at 1,000. This is the place with the problem, guys. Looks like we are forcing a breakout here. Finally.
Order filled.
Got some pressure finally. Opening a trade on our third YRM2. This is looking a little bit better. Right, look at that one, guys. Looking much better. Much better. Let me fix the microphone. Maybe right now. I think right now it's good. Not good again. It came back and then it disappeared. What about? Still not good. What about right now? I think right now it's good. I can see it on my settings. It's good right now, yeah. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. It's fine right now. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Not gonna go break even here for the top one, but I'm gonna put a stop loss right now, right there. We hit the target here, 389 profit. Beautiful.
Order filled.
And we're gonna accept some partial losses here, guys. This is the place we're gonna accept some partial losses for the other account. We were down a lot. Yeah. We accepted some partial losses here on 74. Absolutely great. We've hit our target here. We made 300 bucks. So from 650, we're down to 331 loss. Accepted some losses here down around our entry, 774. This account got to the target 389. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. You see how you reverse from a situation that is going against you? Micros do allow you to do that. I sold something and I'm finally out of this. Beautiful. I'm very happy, guys. 875 and we were down, I think, more than $3,000 here. We perform much better than when we start green. Much better to start red. Right? So this is 875 down. We were down 3,000 plus. This was down something as well, around 1,000. 389 in profit, and I'm closing the day here for this account 329, ending on 329. Let me see that one. Where's my 329 account? I think we're close to the payout or something like that. Looks like it's day number 7. Looks like it's day number 7 on this one. 389. This is the column you have to look at. So you got to go to your table. We're going to celebrate this one, guys. Certainly we're going to celebrate not only this account, but the whole situation. YRM, no payout target. On the funded stage, no payout target. Just 10 days of 150. Boom, baby. That's all you need. 10 days of 150 bucks and you're ready to qualify for the payout. You don't have any other payout target for the YRM accounts. That's why the instant funding are the biggest deal. With my code, you get a superior discount than what is located on the website. So this is where we are, guys. 1,344, the highest day here. 20% consistency. So what's 20% consistency on 1,344? Let's do that times 5. It's 6,720. That's what we have to reach. Because I made so much money during that day. Instead of cutting my profits earlier or losing something, no idea how I made the mistake of making 1,344 in a such day. Right, so we need basically 6,720 totally. We have 5,158. I mean, that's like 1,600 bucks extra. Not bad. If we do 400 bucks, we need like 4 days. We're good to go with that one. I'm going to lock myself out. Here's the daily lockout for today. I don't want to trade this account anymore. We're in a very good situation. Succeeded. So we're completely locked out for the day on this one. And we're going to trade the other accounts. See how we can trade this one. Thank you, Fred. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Look at this price action. What a lovely rejection that we've came through. That's why I shorted. And the market makers listen to my live stream. Thank you so much, market makers. You're doing a great job with your life, watching our live stream and being part of our community. Thank you, Wall Street. Thank you. Some of the newer members will start lecturing that this is sim-funded environment and nobody cares about. You know, we used to have those guys coming out and lecturing, so to speak. If you do 10 days of 150 on a 50k account and take 500 payout, what happened to your drawdown? Your max loss is going to be at 50,100, and whatever is above that is going to remain in the account. Yes. Actually, 900 is going to be left because you will have max loss is original balance plus $100. That's always the max loss at the payout request time. Right, so automatically your max loss goes to your original balance plus $100. So you're gonna have 900 bucks. Maximum 3 funded accounts, unlimited evaluations, max 3 funded, either through past challenge or instant funded. Why do we have this move, guys? Like, why do we have this move here? I'm telling you, at this point here, so many people reshorted that move. So many. Yep. And they got knocked out. The price action just went slightly above the previous wick. And that's the moment this guys got out, including a little bit earlier. $6.59, we hit the target here. Look at this one, guys. Let me share with you this account. This is 150k instant funded. Let me share with you the stats. This was the 3rd day, and this is what we made on it. Today was the 3rd day. That's what we made. We have a $6,000 drawdown, and I made 180, 194, and 159. And I'm fine. If I do 7 more days like this, I'm taking my payout. Right, so I'm planning to take this account around this numbers to the payout stage. You know, that might be to have only 2,000 or 2,200 or 2,300 in the account and take the payout that way. $40% off with my code, which means a 90 bucks extra than what is listed. Right, so that comes down to 450 bucks for the 150k instant funded. Instead of 629, it's 540 with my code. That's the biggest deal. So if we look into the 15 minutes, we will see that the market is preparing to run. Look at that one, guys. There is a fair value gap here on the 15 minutes. Slightly above the 800s. So I still think we're gonna run.
Order filled.
Which is why I'm taking my shots in longs. Could be considered as a game, yeah, where you kind of practice the trading, but trading, no, it's not gonna be 40 bucks again anymore, never ever. The $40 era ended. That was part of their launch. YRM is live since July 2025. So that was just basically prop firms are games where you are practicing trading and making money at the same time. You can make money at the same time, not necessarily making money.
Order filled.
$15 minute is bullish, guys. It's not bearish. including the 5-minute chart.
Order filled. Order filled.
We got in a little long here. Oops, no opening bell for the moment. Yeah, send me something, a good design so I can create it. Send me a good design. I'll create that one. We got there's two Lucid Flex accounts you're watching right now that I'm trading. Only need to be brought to a like $200 or something like that, and we passed the both evaluations. What a silly retracement once again, guys. Quite strong. Did not expect it to be that powerful.
Order filled.
But this price action today, I'm telling you, is just rubbish. What a rubbish price action we've got today. Oh my God. That was a nice continuation pattern and they dumped it. Look at that one. What a lovely continuation pattern and they dumped it on me. We had a lovely move on the 15-minute. The whole thing right now becomes very dangerous if this is not rejecting a good amount. I'm going to open up a trade here. This is a funded account. Lucid Flex funded. This one. Stop loss break even. Target hit 284. That's enough, guys. 250 bucks is the minimum needed. 284. Look at that one. We're gonna celebrate that one. Let me tell you, it's enough. 284. We have 167, $17,000 above. Let me see what's happening with the other ones. Do we have enough here? We're gonna have enough soon, hopefully. Opening up along here. On this one as well. Another funded account. Nah. They did a dirty job on me. They did a dirty job on me. Good morning, welcome everyone. Pretty close hitting the target on this one. Second funded. What was that? A single tick. Was that a single tick, guys? Beautiful. Target hit 277. Right, so the two ones that are funded hit the target today, which is only 250 bucks. This one, which I'm trying to make it into a funded, we're copy trading two accounts here. We need something around 200, 250 bucks. And we passed the evaluation. I'll check that out. I'll check that out soon. Now that's good looking. Ginori, 1735. That's lovely looking, right? Beautiful. Target has been hit, 309. 309 profit. Look at the total, guys. We have 159, 133. And the other account has 159, 148. 148, 133. Is that enough for us to consider the two accounts passed as evaluation? Let's see. Are we ready to celebrate or not yet? Let's have a look into this one, guys. So we made 309 here. Let me refresh. How long does it take? I think it takes a little bit. It says the target is 159. And it says we had 176 remaining, but we have more than 159. It was not updated yet. It tells that we have a balance of 824, but we have above 159 already with today's profit. Right, so we have more than 159. Look at that one, guys. We have 159 and 133. Celebration time. We just passed these 2 accounts of Lucid Flex in 3 days, guys. Look at that one. Oh my god, this is just insane. This is just insane. Boom. We just passed this, guys. I think they have to update the numbers, but we passed it. We made more than 159. Oh my gosh. Careful, Fred. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Appreciate your lovely words. Honestly, did not expect it to go for the target in 2 or 3 days. Did not expect it, guys. But I've let my winners, and trading was so good. In the past 2 days, trading was so good that we actually went more and more aggressive each time. It becomes static. Yeah, it becomes static, sure. So I have basically we have 2 Lucid Flex funded and 3 that we bought challenges. 2 challenges were copy traded. We just made it through today, and 1 was not copy traded. This is the one that was not copy traded. Where on the first day we made 4,400, and yesterday we had a $3,500 loss, if you guys remember. And we made it to the profit. Totally recovered and made it to the profit. So I'm continuing my stage of evaluation here today. 2,912 is needed. And we're going to pass 3 out of 3. The funded ones are looking very good, guys. Let me share with you. Look at that. This is a Lucid funded account. I don't know about a way to set up your max daily loss in Quant Tower for Savius. Only with a drag and drop, and you certainly have to do it. Right? Drag and drop, put your stop loss like that. And this is another account that's funded, guys. You know, Lucid, I think we're fine for the payouts here. Let's see what we can do on this one. I'd like to pass this one too. We need 2,900 and we're passing 3 out of 3. Alright, so this is the mug. This is the mug. Gotta translate all that text. Inconfondibile. 1735. Ginori. Gotta change our mug, guys. Beautiful. Made in Italy. Lovely design. Strong branding. And a good recommendation. Oh, the market is dropping. Thank you. Testing out a short here for a... No, that's the wrong account. I don't need to test out here. That's the account we copy trade. The other one, here. We made some extra profit. I think this is going lower. I think this is gonna attack. I mean... Oh my gosh, look at the rejection that came in. Look at that one, guys. Just like that, 800 bucks. Look at that. What the hell is with this price action, guys? I sold half of it. I don't know what's wrong with this price action today. Let me share with you something. I think we're gonna touch the purple line here. 760s. If this line rejects, 760s on board. Oh. Yeah, 200 EMA. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. How much do we need? We're 8 minutes short. 760s. $200 EMA. Come on, 760s. Nice cliff. Beautiful. Stop loss and break even. Beautiful, guys. Let's not forget our account here. YRM account. Let's not forget about this one, guys. 2,500 accepted loss. And a pretty good short here. We've got into 70 micros accumulated into the short over here. We were in a long. We got out of the long, accepted the loss, and got back in a short. Come on, guys. I'm going to sell something at this point, securing some of the profits. Putting the stop loss there and that. Secured some profits there. What about the other side? We're going to sell something here as well. Two more contracts are left. Take profit right there. Stop loss above the wick. Let's go. We're fine here on 760s. Beautiful profit, right? What about on the other side? 644 after being down what? 2,500, right? 644, look at that. Celebration time here. The fire is burning. Hey guys, come on. $1,380 profit. There you go. Fire is burning. Oh my gosh. Big money over here as well. Big money. Giveaway did not start it. Yeah. You're new here. This is a fireworks show. Where the past months were just great ones. 1,380 profit here. And a really good profit on the other side too, recovering from the $2,500 loss. Let me tell you what happened. I've been in a long, accepted the loss, and it was painful. So that's one thing that I've learned across the time. Accepting painful losses. But you have to know that there is no such pain that is lasting. And of course, not closing out on a loss that's painful is gonna certainly end in a catastrophic loss, or in a loss of the account, or in a total loss. Way more painful. So you have to decide which pain level do you accept. The ultimate pain level or just the partial pain level. If you accept the partial pain, you can still do something. If you are going for the full pain, there is no way to recover that account. You have no alternative, nothing left there. So if you want to hold your position hoping that you don't touch that level of getting wiped out and losing the account and hoping, and no, accept the loss and focus on the upcoming directions. This is exactly what happened here, guys. We had 1,000 loss and then accepted another 1,500. So 2,500. Because the market was telling me that we're still going lower. And I jumped into the other side. So it's a matter of choice between the pains. Trading just Nasdaq. Yeah, Blue Guardian. I'm sorry about it. The firm is not good. I don't like it. Blue Guardian. I'm from Budapest, from Hungary. I don't like that company. We've got great companies, just join us on board. Thank you. That's the point, guys. Very, very interesting. So I've been there, not accepting the losses. And I give up on that. You know, it feels great not accepting a loss and having the market recovering. It's like a jackpot. It's like you walk into a casino, you put $1,000 and you make 30 grand. And then you walk 100 times in the same casino and you put 100 times $1,000 each time. And you lose it all. That 30 grand never comes back. But the feeling is what you're going for. You're going for the same feeling you had at the beginning, and you think that's the way it is generally, which is how it translates into the trading world. By escaping from a loss, not taking it, market recovers in your favor, and what you say? Well, it feels great. The book says to accept the loss. I was much smarter, didn't accept it, market went back, and now I'm making profits. If I would have accepted the loss, I would have been frustrated right now. But you see, this is generating a false idea on the way the trading works. So that little thing is a huge change. Feels great not to accept the loss and markets recovering, right? Feels great. To be smarter than the markets, to be smarter than the way the trading works. But you guys already know that this is just a temporary situation. Most of the time, it's going to hurt you so much that the account is going to be gone. Otherwise, the prop firms would not exist. Right? The prop firms would not exist. Yeah, the problem is sometimes it works. Just like sometimes you walk into a casino, you put 1,000, you make 5. You got a taste of the guilty. Yeah. I'm just Nasdaq. Grabbing my long here. This is a potential good entry, guys. We still have to do some money here to pass this account, and I'm not giving up that early. This is a potential entry here, guys. I'm taking my shot. I've smelt something. Let's see. Right, so let me tell you something. Even if you have $5,000 buffer and you accepted losses to the level of $100 remaining there, you can still recover. And it's not just about a theoretical side or ideal side. No, honestly, there's, you know, recovery possibilities from deep levels. And you gotta practice that mentality. You also have to think, you have to practice things that are correct, guys, that are functional for the long term. It's not just about the detail itself, but it's also about what you're practicing daily and constructs your second being. Swing trading and investing since 2014 in Bitcoin. And trading futures with a Nasdaq for almost a year. I don't like that rejection that we've got. But I'm gonna wait a little more here. Taking a little shot here in the long. We have DCA, we have 8 minis long here, guys. Come on. I still gotta do like $2,100. Something right there. Good morning. Make sure everyone to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We're trading our Lucid accounts, Lucid Flex accounts here. My take profit basically is around the end of the wick we had a hammer candlestick there. 788, something around that one. That's my take profit. There is a reverse hammer candle right there on the 1 minute. 788. This could actually receive sufficient pressure from the algos to slowly walk through the numbers and get to that 788 from the way the pattern looks like. As soon as we clear 79, I'm moving break even. As soon as we clear that 79, even right now I could be break even. And I'm doing it. I'm break even already, so no risk on this trade. It's just about where do we profit. We don't even need that high of a target, guys, because we got to do 159 grand. So 500 bucks extra from here, that's all we need. I'm selling something. I'm selling something. I sold half of it. We still need like 300 to 400 bucks more. $785 for my exit. And I'm trailing right below the current candle. And I'm also going to put my stop loss here on break even. Take profit higher and stop loss on break even. But this is the important side here. I sold 2 more contracts basically. $159, we're pretty close to that, guys, and we would pass the 3rd out of 3. We got 3 evaluations of Lucid Flex 150k. Lucid Flex accounts are having no consistency and no target on the funded stage. Right, so the Lucid Flex accounts are extremely valuable. No consistency and target on the funded stage. Yeah, for those of you that are needing a protection against moving my trailing a little bit, tilting moments, highly emotional situations, which will always end up in a more costly situation for you guys. Utilize a software, an application to lock the system and the trading desk you are trading for the day. If you're on Windows or Mac or you're on the website or whatever, utilize a software to lock yourself out, to lock your quant hour. Beautiful, guys. Celebration time. 158, 580. We need 500 bucks more and we've passed this evaluation too. Boom. Beautiful, right? You certainly enjoy that. And this is where we are here. Which software? Well, depends what you're trading on. If it's web-based, then maybe the platform you're trading has that option. For example, Volumetrica for YRM has the daily lockout. Right? You had a terrible loss. You feel frustrated, angry. The best solution is to lock yourself out. The alternative is to lose more, and the conclusion is to lose the whole account. You know, this is something I've seen during the days and months of trading and years, that in trading you have to accept defeats in order to thrive and be able to win the championship. You have to accept from time to time unpleasurable and difficult to be digested defeats. So at some point you reach to a level where you no longer care about this defeats, you just accept them like the winners. And that's the emotionless trading. And that should be number one objective, guys. So, no activation fee for the YRM. TradingView app. Yeah, so there's no way trading works under the circumstances of being, let me look into software locker on, on Windows, for example. You guys want to search this on Google, software locker on Windows, if you're trading on Windows, for example, with a TradingView app, or a software locker on any other device. And you will be able to see that there's, built-in tools in Windows that you can use to lock a specific software. And there's third-party services that you can utilize to lock yourself out for the day. One tower or from whatever. Simply. Yeah, let me fix that. Maybe right now. I think right now it's much better. It works fine. I think it's fine right now. No activation fee. We got back basically to the 760s again. Look at that one. The subject is daily personal drawdown for 150k account. 1,500, something like that, for the Lucid Flex. I don't know what's happening, guys, when the microphone does this. There is a problem with the connection or stuff like that. We're getting emails from prop firms that want to see, they think we promote just like that. But they say, hey, Scramble, we give you $10,000. You make a video. We scam your people. And then we leave. Or you make a video. We split the money from the sales. We don't pay anyone out. And we leave. There's such emails I'm getting. Crazy move out here we've got. Crazy move. Yeah, really dirty. I think this is going for a continuation, guys. We got on along for the YRM account too. $7.90 on my exit. Come on, give me that, guys. And a decent long here as well. Come on. Not even going through their names, right? So they're not public at all. They just create a website, don't even have a Discord community or so, right? They create a website and that's the only thing they have. And then they hope someone promotes. My stop losses are always set manually based on the price section. I don't have a pre-stop loss set. They're on my mind always. Come on, guys, just a little more points. I sold 2 contracts, putting the stop loss on break even. Oh, nicely. We put it at the right time. Let me get out of the YRM2. We made some money here. 8.16. Yeah, we got lucky with that one. 8.16. We need $200 here and we passed the evaluation, guys. $200 here. Come on. One minute to go and the market opens. Just participate, like the video, be subscribed. Join the link, join the forum, like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. Those are the 4 things you gotta do. A lot interesting out here in the markets. We get a runner today. 5 seconds to go and the market opens. Best of luck, everyone. I got in a little long here. Let's see. I just double up. There you go. 159, 179. Take profit. Touch. I think we touched the target, guys. Celebration time. I think we passed the third here today. 159, 179. We passed the third Lucid Flex. 3 out of 3. 3 out of 3. That's huge, right? Oh my god. What about right now? I think right now works. I think it works. I think it does work right now. We passed 3 out of 3. 3 out of 3 for the Lucid. That's just insane, guys. Let me see. His one-time fee is not gonna be charged at the end of the month. No, no. You're not gonna get charged. No, no. His one-time fee. Yeah, so I'm very happy about it, guys. We got 3. We passed them all. That's a 100% ratio. Can we do something here? We just got in a little long, guys. Come on. Can we do something? I sold partially. I'm fully out. 370 profit. We eliminated a loss. We put this one on profit too. There you go. Celebration time. Thank you so much, guys. I think everything is profit today. Back-to-back profits pretty much everywhere. Non-stop. Boom. Oh my god. One-time fee for which prop firm? YRM, the one we're trading right here. We put this one finally on profit. This was the first one we started trading today. We had a big loss right there, and then we've been down with this account for a while. It's fully back in profit. Oh my gosh. Yes, the fee you paid in December is the last one. Everything's green today. Everything, guys. Everything. I'm gonna walk you through the process. Thank you so much for joining. This account too, 389. The other one was 370. And this one 159. It's not needed more. You need 10 days of $150 minimum. Oh my gosh. I did not expect it, guys, to cross the third Lucid Flex today, honestly. Look at that one. Let me refresh the page and see if they updated. This is the account we just made a ton. They did not update it, this one yet. Yep, they did update it, this one, guys. 3,000 out there, 1,635 yesterday, and 4,453 the day before. The remaining is with minus, which means we made enough, right? We have 159, 180, and we need 159 for the target. So we pass pretty much everything, guys. 3 out of 3. 100% ratio. %99 of my trades are scalping pre-market, exactly. You gotta get back stronger, buddy. You gotta get back stronger. Yeah, we've passed them very, very, very fast. Oh, look at a beautiful movement all the way back to the daily opening. That's lovely, right? Yeah, Lucid Flex accounts are extremely valuable. Once you pass the evaluation, it's... You guys want to see something, right? Look at that. Look at that. You've passed the evaluation, you've passed the evaluation, you've passed the evaluation. Upgrade to funded for all the three guys. Come on. Celebration time. Come on, guys. We have passed all the evaluations. So quickly. Lucid Flex is a big deal. And YRM as well. That 150k Lucid Flexes are allowing you space to flex the muscles. Giveaway starts soon. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Let me see how does my Savius accounts are. I might be able to trade some Savius. 300k accounts. So this account with 7, this one, 369. Let me share with you guys this 369. This one is cycle trading session 18. So that means we have 8 days in the second cycle. We have no losses. No losses. Everything is on net PNL. This is the column. Everything's green. Net PNL, right? That's the column you have to look. No losses. 18 days, 18 sessions. 2 more days. And we're taking to the payout. Depends which account we're talking about in terms of making more than the minimum, Jonathan. I was about to do a experiment for that account, trying to do just the 200, 220 or something like that, and keep it around that level and see how it works. I'd like to see how easy it is with those numbers. But then the other 2 accounts that are 150k instant funded, we do other numbers there, different numbers. For example, here my highest day is 502, and on the other one, our highest day is 1,000. This is day number 7 we had today. Our highest day is 1,344. This is day number 7 you're watching right now. Well, let me see how does it works on Savius, guys. So we got to connect ourselves. Set up the crazy copy trader, right? You guys remember I made $16,000 or $17,000 in a day on Savius? I'm not sure if you guys remember that. But I'm gonna trade that account right now. This is the account. We bought it at 300k, that's the size, and we have 317. Our intraday stop loss is at 310, so we have $7,000. It's certainly losing clients. Lucid and YRM. Lucid obviously right now #1 prop firm in the space. YRM is still at the beginning, guys. Look at that. We're going to trade this account. My daily stop loss here is at 7,000 bucks. But it's kind of hard with me with the push we got. We got into news high today. Pretty hard right now to trade. You gotta be crazy shorting the markets, right? Well, what else? Yeah. Adding some longs here. You know, I'm going to be very aggressive on the sizing. 12 minis long. $17,000 bucks. $7,000 daily stop. My daily loss limit, 7 grand. We're 20 minis. I sold 5 more, and I'm fully out. 2,240 profit. Celebration time. 2,240 profit. Come on. 20 minis. But you see, this is a difficult place to trade, guys, honestly. We had that lovely breakout. We crossed the fair value gap. We did everything we got. But look at the price. Look at that one, guys. It's not easy to trade. That's the 15-minute candlestick. Everyone, make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. We're getting ready for the giveaway soon. Scramble coupon code on everything. No target, no consistency on Lucid Flex payout stage. Someone says, now giveaway time. Is he having some giveaways to do, guys? And I'm not aware? Do we have a guest here that wants to do giveaways and we don't know? Because I would put your giveaways in the title and let people know about the giveaways you want to organize. Bakale. Bakale number 12. Atharva Bakale. Which giveaway time, buddy? Yours? Someone is asking for a timeout and is not knowing how to get it, right? Alright, so now, we're joking, guys, we're joking. Yes, you can participate. Are we ripping, guys, to the upside here? Testing out a little short. You know, I said to the upside in case the market makers are listening to our live stream. But we do trade the opposite, right? So we say something and we trade the opposite. You know, I'll have a tight stop loss. Don't worry about it. If this thing is not rejecting, I'd love to see the price action below 30s again. But the markets are not going to do what I love. Look at that one. Silly price could run. And I'm not going to be able to DCA forever. I'll have to accept it at some point. Come on, bring it down. Accepted some losses there. I recommend both, basically. YRM needs minimum 10 days of $150 on the funded stage. So if you buy the instant funded, you're already into that era. Lucid is no consistency, no target on the funded stage for the Lucid Flex, their evaluations. That's very interesting. I'm out of this, guys. I would... I don't know what to do with this one, right? You know, I've cut half of it here. Yeah. If you don't mind a 20% consistency on the instant funded for the YRM, then that's the option, because you take it from the beginning, make $150 minimum for 10 days and you're good to go. If you are going through the evaluations with the YRM, then you have 50% consistency on the challenge phase and 35% on the funded stage. We've been holding our position here, but this is hard to trust, guys. Might be DCing something a little bit higher, for example, here. Yeah, I don't want to force it that much with the shorts. Let's wait and see. I would love to retest that A20s. So the advice is to decrease the sizing. You will not blow the account anymore. Decrease the sizing and accept that it takes time to get to the payout. Decrease the sizing and accept it takes more time than you wish to get to the payout. Right? So decrease the sizing, accept a specific loss. Do not go full balance. If you're not in a good shape, do not do that. Oh, trading screen should be visible. You guys were watching something else. I was doing the trades here. I thought you were seeing exactly what I look at. Yeah. This is Quant Tower for the Lucid. This is for the Savius right now. It's Quant Tower for the Savius. Savius 300k accounts. We made $18,000 in a day, or 17 or something like that. And we have a $7,000 daily loss limit for today. I wish my short would have a way higher entry point than the 52. You know, eventually this Could be decent, but 12 minutes short, guys. That's where we are right now. Give me a nice cliff. $16. $16 short, guys. Give me all the way into 43. And I'm putting break even. 16 minutes short. 300k account for the Savius. We got tons of money in this account. $14,000 for the max loss. 14. I don't like this buying pressure here. We gotta reject or I'm out. Reject it or I'm out. You decide. You decide. Reject this one or I'm out. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I sold something partially. Another selling order. We're down to 6 minutes short. For YRM, you have 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after, a 4 minutes window for the YRM. We got news soon, yeah. Savius is 5 minutes, exactly. I'm gonna close my trade. I still have a minute here, but not looking good. Accepted a 3 grand. Not an issue. Careful, guys, with the numbers. We got news coming out. We have the ISM Services PMI and Jolt's job openings. Do not open up trades, guys, in the next 5 minutes. For Savius, do not open up trades. And for the YRM, 2 minutes before the news come out and 2 minutes after, 4 minutes window. Do not open up trades during that sector. If you got trades running prior to that time, you can leave them open through the window time. In the meantime, make sure to join our Discord too. Where's the Savius rules? Let me quickly look into the Savius discussion. There's the Savius page. Trading. Five minutes before and 5 minutes after. For Savius, 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after. Those are the news that will affect you. 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after. 10 minutes window. YRM, 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after. You cannot trade evaluations. No, no. During the news. No, no. 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after for the YRM. Avoid trading it, guys. There's 3 minutes to go and the news are coming out. Lucid, yes. Lucid can be traded. I don't have more Lucid accounts to trade. I got two funded ones. And 3 today past flexes. Let me give you here about a script. This is the link. I'll give you the link, guys, for the indicator. And these are the settings you can have. It's really good. Look at that one. You can set up all those things. I sent you the link right now in the chat, guys, for the indicator. It's free from TradingView. Yeah, I could actually activate those 3 Lucids, correct. But I think I would force it by doing that. If I want to make money on a funded stage today, I think I'm gonna be looking like ungrateful. I'm not gonna activate them today, but I do have that possibility. That's right. But I think I'm gonna feel ungrateful for that, guys. I don't want to push that much. I've made sufficient, right? And I think that's a very important lesson I want to give out here to you. And respect, of course, our community. So listen to these words. I've made enough today, guys. I could actually activate those 3 flexes. They are here. It's blinking with green. Right? You've passed. They're right there. It's blinking. They want me to click that button. But you see, let me not do it. Let me show people some good way of trading. We had a great community member here speaking. Tio, I think that's its name. Tio in our Discord community yesterday talking about some great subjects on how to stop over trading. And I gave out 3 practical solutions. Where is the chat? "30 seconds and we got the news from the jolts are pretty important, including the ISM services PMI. Yeah. Theo, there you go. He just confirmed it on the chat on Discord. Did good today. Follow the rules. Good job. Welcome everyone. Great to see you on board. So we got the news. Look at the price section. Thank you. 54.4 higher than expected on the services PMI. Level of diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers, excluding the manufacturing industry. And the JOLTS job openings are still pending. Oh, we got a nice little drop. 40 points so far. Nice little drop. Back to the daily opening, which is on 831. 7.15 million from the big expected 7.61 million. That's a huge difference. That's a huge difference. Number of job openings during the reporting month, excluding the farming industry. Ho ho. That's a big difference there, guys. YRM has. Yes. Lucid do not has. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after for the YRM. Right, so in 10 seconds from now, you can resume trading your YRM accounts. In 10 seconds from now. Basically 2 minutes after the news came out. Maybe you want to leave 5 seconds extra or something like that. Look at a big drop we got. 60 points down. Savius is not clear now. Savius needs 5 minutes. 5 minutes after the news. You would wish to long Savius 40 minutes, right? But Savius is not clear for the moment. It needs 5 minutes. This is the mug suggested by the community members. Do we look similar? Could get that one, guys. Send you the link. Lucid News is okay, yes. So look at that one. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. There is a gap of viewers and likes, about 50. We're not going to do the giveaway if we don't like the video. Come on. If we don't bring up the numbers, we're not going to do the giveaways. Yes, you can trade the news on the flex. So you can flex the muscles there. $8.20, we have the red line there. And short value with an average price. Ladies and gentlemen. Uh, 40 seconds for Savius and you can trade it. Thank you so much for joining today. Look at that lovely buyback. What a lovely buyback. Look at that one. 5 seconds and we can trade Savius. We can trade Savius. Testing out a little long here. Could get back to that 60s again. Let's see. It's dangerous for sure. For sure, it's dangerous. But we might be able to have a decent ladder up. Decent ladder up back in the market. Keep it going, buddy. Keep it going. I got an exit on 55.5. Keep it going. Stop loss and break even, guys. I got you set up, stop loss and break even. Ah. What a silly rejection. That was looking promising. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. And we fully closed out. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful profit hit there. We're going to celebrate. We're still down a little bit here. 777, 777. We're going to start a duck race soon. What a brutal recovery. What a brutal recovery, guys. You guys think this is going higher? I got back in a little long here. Let me test out some numbers. 5 minis. Added 5 more. And 5 more. Come on, just a little higher than 866 and I'm going break even. 15 minis long. On the 300k account, which has 7 grand daily loss for today. Added 5 more, we're 20 minis long. Added 5 more, we're 25 minis long. If it holds, my stop loss is there, 849. It got hit. It got hit. 6,952. We're down to 310. Too much volatility here. Didn't work that direction. We're up 10,000 here. You know, on this account, we have to do 20% consistency with the highest day on 17,000. 17 times 5 is 85. We got it 85,000 bucks, right? 85k is the target. 70k highest day with 20% consistency. 85,000 is the target. Enough for the day. Enough joking on that one. And we are getting ready for giveaways. What about right now? I think right now. I think it's fixed. It's fixed. We're good to go. We're good to go, guys. Come on, we're good to go. I think we're good to go. I think we're good to go. I don't know what's happening. So let me think about. Yeah, Will. That's the name of the game with the wheel. Come on. Yeah. Might have to grab a new one. Not sure what's happening. Thank you so much for joining, guys. We're doing the giveaway soon. Make sure to be here. So let me tell you what you got to do to participate. First giveaway. 25k, top 1 futures, Ignite. Instant funding. $25,000 top 1 futures, Ignite account, instant funding. What you have to do in order to participate. You need to be signed up on the form. I'll give you a minute. Then how to join. You gotta like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. These are the 3 things you gotta do, guys. 3 things. In our Discord, we always have the sales and promotions tab right there. Always. With the weekly roundup, with the best promotions, with the biggest discounts listed, with a maximum discount coupon code Scramble right there. Here you have it. Alright guys, so let me think about the numbers. A single guess per person, do not guess multiple times. Market's nicely running back and we would have made a lot of the profit there. Pretty cool. We were oversized. Over leveraged, overexposed. So let me tell you guys, a single guess per person, do not spam 20 times your number because the system will automatically lock you out. And we've got 3 giveaways. Listen up for the ratios and wait for the command. We're going to do 5 zeros, 2 number 2, 3 number 3, and 3 number 7, and a single number 1 at the end. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers. 5 zeros, 2 number 2, 3 number 3, 3 number 7, and a single number 1 at the end. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Five zeros, 2 number 2, 3 number 3, 3 lucky 7, and a single number 1. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. Big money today, guys. Except the savviest one, but that's a different story. Best of luck, everyone. Let's go. $25,000. Tap 1 futures Ignite account. Let's see what's going to come, guys. Who's going to come up here? Could be that zeros. We got triple zeros. And then we have the lucky 7 coming out on green. But I don't think we touched that lucky 7 on green. I think we stop on the yellow 0. I think that's where we stop in case the paddle is nicely listening. Come on, paddle. The duck race does have its own song. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners out there. You did a great job. Let's see what's happening for the duck race. Ducks have their own sound. $53 winners. Ho ho. 53 winners. That's not much at all, guys. Looks like the majority of you went for other numbers out there. A minute competition time for our 53 winners for the number that theoretically had the biggest chances. Best of luck, everyone. Look at a trade max at the top. Driving to the line. 20 seconds to go. The retail hunter is driving through the madness, but I don't think it's gonna survive the difficulties. Well, look at that, guys. Somebody's coming up from behind. We got a Zorro. Mass KFX. Yeah, once again, Mass KFX. Hey, congratulations. He did one yesterday too. Right? He did one yesterday too. And was not signed up. Let's have a look into the formula. Mass KFX. He was not signed up yesterday. Let's find it out if he signed up today. Let's go, guys. Let's verify this together. No response once again. Mass KFX did not sign up. Who's the second one? Who's the second one? Mass K did not sign up again. Yesterday he was a winner, did not sign up. Today, the same story. Who's the second? Wiz 6540. Let's find it out. Are you here, Wiz? Yes, Wiz 6540. This is your lucky day, buddy. Hey, congratulations. Wiz, there you go. 6540, congratulations. Looks like we beat the bot, guys. Yeah, we beat the bot. He did one yesterday as well. We're gonna lock the guy out. We're gonna give him a nice hide user on this channel. So we're not gonna give a timeout. We're gonna permanently ban the person. Best of luck to you. Great, guys. So Wiz is the real winner. Mass KFX, second time in a row. He did one yesterday as well. And we have clear poos. Better luck next time. So we're going in the second giveaway. Is gonna be 50k Lucid Pro. $50k Lucid Pro. Someone gave me an idea of creating membership on our YouTube channel and allow only members of the YouTube channel to participate in the giveaways. Like $2 membership per month. Someone just gave us that idea. $2 membership per month. $2 per month membership, and you can participate in the giveaways. You only participate in the giveaways by paying $2 per month. That's an idea. So let's get back to the wheel. The second account, like I said, 50k Lucid Pro. Let me think about the ratios. We're gonna come up with 7 number 7, 3 number 3, and 2 zeros. You can start right now. Well, $2 a month gives you access to 5 giveaways a week. So each day we have 3 accounts minimum. That means 15 accounts per week. Minimum. Usually is around 20. 20 accounts per week. 20 times 4 weeks equal 80 accounts per month. 80. That's not bad, guys. For $2. Best of luck, everyone. We have 7 number 7, 3 number 3, and 2 zeros. Stop right there. No more guesses. $2 a month. It was an idea. We'll see. We might be doing both. We might be doing giveaways that are allowed to everyone and giveaways that are only for members. Think about it. I think that's the way we're going to do. Both. Some allowed to everyone, some only for members. Let's shuffle. Best of luck, everyone. Good luck right there. Yeah, that could be the problem with local laws. But we have a lot of the number 7 coming through. We actually have 5 of them here stacked up. I don't think we passed through this. That's going to be the 7 on the red. Yeah, we had 7 number 7. So we got the right pedal today here, guys. Let me tell you something. If we have more than 100, the duck race is going to have 2 rounds. Top 3 will go to the second round. And I think we're having more than 100 winners. But let's see if we find confirmation. Badger is going to drop the list soon. I think we have more than 100 winners. $108. Congratulations. You've got 2 races. 108. A minute. No, let's do 2 minutes competition time for this one. Best of luck, everyone. Top 3 is going to qualify for the second round. Numbers and color. And the numbers between 0 and 1,000, right? Yes, exactly. That's the idea, Rocky. To have a membership subscription per month, $2. It's another way of clearing the bots. Yeah, YouTube allows members only giveaways, exactly. $2 a month, you get access to between 70 to 80 giveaways, which are worth between 8,000 to 10,000 US dollars. Yeah, bots will not pay $2. And that's why we're clearing things up for our legit community members. I think $2 is a good thing, but we'll have to see. You got the COVID duck? $24, so you can have 12 YouTube accounts. And use that all in a month. 5 seconds, 4 seconds to go. Look at that one, guys. Maha. Who's the winner out here? Maha. But actually, we have 2 rounds. Let's not forget about it. Yesterday, we forgot about Sadish and Hansel. I didn't heard about them, Maha, Sadish, and Hansel. Let's verify. Maha. Yes, confirmed. Sadish. Confirmed. And the third one, Hansel. Confirmed. All the three are confirmed going into the second round. Maha, Sa, and Hansel. There you go. And you guys are going to compete for 15 seconds. Right now, it's back. It's back right now, guys. And Sadish speed up, and it's winning. Sadish speed up, and it's winning. We're back on the microphone. Congratulations, Sadish. There you go. Congratulations, buddy. You got this. And this is actually the worst time to win a duck race, when there is a second round, right? Don't you guys agree with me? It's the worst time to win a duck race when you have 2 rounds. Especially if you're not winning the second round. It's just terrible, right? Better not participate when you hear that. Congratulations to the winner. Now we're speaking about the third giveaway. 50k YRM. 50k YRM. So listen up, guys, for the third giveaway. What we're doing. We're doing 5 zeros. 5 number 5. A single 7 and a single number 3. Best of luck, everyone. You can start right now. Do not start before my starting command in the chat, because your number is not going to be recognized. So you only write and guess between my start and stop command in the chat. Do not guess before or after. 5 zeros, 5 number 5, 1 7, and a single number 3. That's what we've got on the ratio today for the third giveaway, 50k YRM account. Best of luck, everyone. Stop right there. Stop right there. Stop right there. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. We're going to shuffle this way. Best of luck, everyone. 5 zeros, 5 number 5, a single 7, and a single number 3. Number 3 is not going to be for sure. Only the number 7 is on the table, guys. Depends how does the pedal wants. Because that would be crazy if we hit that number 7, which is so low, and we're getting close to it. Look at that one, guys. I think the pedal listens, and it's walking through slowly, and it's pushing, and we've got you in the number 7. We've got it in the number 7. Oh my god, look at that one. Congratulations for the winners. That was a big one. That was a big one, guys. This is totally rigged. How is it possible, guys? Oh my gosh. How is this possible with a lucky 7? We had a single 7 on the board. No way. No way. No way, guys. We had a single 7 on the board. So let's find it out. Lucky 7 wins again. Exactly. That was a real 17 winners. Oh my gosh. That's not many trusting their lucky 7. 17 winners fighting for a 50k YRM account. 12 AC, you're there. What's happening? You guys will compete for a minute and 30 seconds. Shuffle. Best of luck, everyone. There you go. Only 17 winners. Keep it strong. Keep it strong, guys. That's gonna be interesting. Yes, a single round, of course, with 17 guys on board. Papalaria. Come on. I see, there you go. You got your duck. At this time, you're not Donald. Yesterday, you were Donald. I see, you're dominating. You're dominating, look at that. But you're gonna get stopped out with the pedal. And who's coming from behind? Who's coming? Unicorn is the real deal. Look at that one. Unicorn is the real deal. Congratulations. Ah, that was so close. Look at that. So close, guys. Unicorn. You came out number 15. 12 AC. 15, and you were ranked first. How is that even possible with 5 seconds before? Unicorn is the real deal. Let's find it out if he did sign up. Unicorn, are you here? Yes, you did confirmed. Congratulations, Unicorn. Not sure if you are watching the live stream, but it looks like there is no reaction. We're gonna find it out who's behind the account. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Today it was an amazing session. Extremely important. We passed without any losses. The Lucid Flex accounts, bought 3, passed all the 3. We've got 5 Lucid Flex funded accounts of 150k. That's an amazing gold mine. That's a money printing machine. And that's a great deal. That's a great deal. Thank you so much, guys. Once again, Nasdaq is crossing the 900s. He's gonna hunt for the 26,000. And we're gonna have a great time. I think in first quarter of 2026, there's gonna be a lot on the bullishness. No idea about a subscription yet. It was just an idea. We'll have to see how we could, if at some point. We'll see. Thank you so much, guys. Looking forward to it. We keep up on our Discord and we talk to you there, including tomorrow. Have a lovely day, guys.